Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out a wireless car charger. This is by CNSL, and it features 360-degree rotation, RFID wireless charging, compatible with most phones, temperature protection, foreign object detection, intelligent chip, wireless charging, voltage protection. So this says it has 15-watt output, and it's compatible with fast charge for the newer phones. Unfortunately, I don't have a newer phone. I do have LG Thin Q, and that one can be charged with this wirelessly. Unfortunately, my Google Pixel cannot be. I have the Google Pixel XL2. It cannot be wirelessly charged, which is a little disappointing, but I think the newer one might have that. We'll see if I get an upgrade one of these days. Anyways, this runs on Amazon for about $36. And let's open this thing up. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check it out if you want to. Here's a sticky pad. It says only on dashboard. Okay. In the box, we have the first item up for view. Second after the sticky pad is the brains of the outfit, and this is the wireless charger. Let's see if it has any juice on it. Okay, that comes out. I thought these had a motor in there or something that'll clamp automatically. Okay, there's that part. So this can be pushed in. There's a button on the back that right there that has it come out. We have, looks like a USB-C port here on the bottom, and the nut there for attaching the back piece. All right, so let's continue, shall we? Here is... Okay, so why does it have only on dashboard? This has a sticky thing for your dashboard, and then like an additional one that's super sticky. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put that plastic back on there. My goodness. So I have a different one like this, a wireless one for that we use, and yeah, these sticky / suction pads are pretty insane. So let's undo this. This is adjustable. It has a clamp here to really enhance the suction. So you put it on there, clamp that down, and it gets a nice, it pulls this part in and gives you a nice suction there. Okay, so this goes on the dash. This is adjustable. Oh, almost 180 degrees. This extends in and out too, so you make it longer. So pretty versatile there. All right. And we also have, if you want to use it for a vent, it has a vent attachment too if you want to use that. And a USB to USB-C cable there. What else do we have in the box? It is some instructions, 1-year warranty, and that. So this, I'm not sure if this is just supposed to be pulled out or not, or it's motor operated. I think it might be motor operated. Let's see. I thought you could just push a button. That would open, that would close, so I don't want to damage it. I'll have to do a demonstration when, I wonder if it'll fit my Google Pixel though. Yes, and just nicely there. So this one's pretty wide with a bulky case, and it fits it just fine. So that's about it for this unboxing. I will be doing a demonstration and a setup video and all that later on. So when I do that, I'll leave that link in the description below, and you guys can check that out too if you want. I'll leave that with the link to this object on Amazon. Runs about $36, as I said before. So that's pretty much it. I'm pretty excited to test this one out and get this in my vehicle. Yeah, for the Tundra, I didn't really have a lot of good spots to mount anything with my other car phone holder, so this one should be pretty nice actually for that. So looking forward to setting that up and showing you guys that review video when I get it finished. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.